Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start multiplication of standard 3. We will start with the previous concept of multiplication. Children, as we have already learned, multiplication is nothing but is the repeated addition. We have already learned addition of many numbers. If same numbers are added again and again many times, these numbers can also be written in the form of multiplication. For example, if 12 is written many times, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 48. It means the 12 is repeated 4 times here. 12, 12, 12, 12. So we can write in different form. 12 into 4. This sign is called multiplication sign. Since 12 is repeated here 4 times, so we can write here 12 fours are 48. Now come to the main topic of this chapter. As I told you, multiplication is actually nothing. Repeated addition. Repeated addition of any number is called multiplication. Example as I have shown you here. Now we will come to the topic. What are the terms associated with the multiplication? The multiplication is associated with completely 3 terms: multiplicand, multiplier and product. We have to understand the definition of these 3 numbers and how do we represent in these numbers in our multiplication. Bigger number in multiplication is called multiplicand. Multiplier. Smaller number is called multiplier. Product. The answer obtained in multiplication is called product. Here one example I am showing you. 32 multiplied by 3 is equal to 96. Multiplication I have done here for you. This is called vertical multiplication. In table of 3, 2 come. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Answer is 96. 32 is the bigger number, so we call it multiplicand. 3 is the multiplier, that is we called it multiplier, and the answer obtained is called product. We will go through the different topics in this chapter. In our book and exercise, we have recap exercise. Based on the recap exercise, we are going to learn these topics. Write the multiplication form of these number. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 fours are 12. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 6 times. 10 6 are 60. Multiplication of number on number line. What we have learned in the first question, students? In the first question we have learned if any number is added many times, we need to count how many times that numbers are repeated. Here 3 is repeated 4 times, so we call it 3 fours are 12. 10 is repeated 6 times, so we call it 10 6 are 60. Now next, multiplication of number on number line. Actually first we should know what is our number line. We have already learned to draw a number line in class 1 and 2. In a number line, first we need to draw a straight line. Put both the side arrow mark. Write number starting from 0 to end on your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Always start with the 0. Try to keep the equal gap between the numbers. Our question is 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are. So 3 must be repeated 4 times. So 0 starting from 0, 0 to 3 1 time, 3 to 6 2 time, 6 to 9 third time and 9 to 12 fourth time. So finally we reached to 12. That means 3 fours are 12. We are reaching to the 12. It means our multiplication product is 12. Now we have simple product to find the product. This is related to the table of number. As my good children, I know that you all have learned the table up to 12 in class 2. So I hope you all know the table. 6 table 9 time. 6 9s are 54. 8 table 6 time. 8 6 are 48. 5 table 4 time. 5 4s are 20. 9 table 6 time. 9 6 are again 54. Here come to the multiplication of number in the vertical order. When you have numbers to multiply, you will arrange the numbers in order. Bigger number always write at the top, smaller number write down below and start multiplying the numbers. As you know, the bigger number is called multiplicand, the smaller number is called multiplier, and the answer we got we call product. 12 table 2 times. So we will multiply one by one. First start this multiplier, that is 2 table 2 times. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 table 1 time, 2 1s are 2. Finally we got 24. So the product of these multiplication is 24. 96 multiplied by 4. 4 table 6 time. 4 6 are what children? 4 6 are 48. 4 6 are 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. So for 24, 4 you need to write here and this 2 will be carry over. Now 4 table 9 time. 4 table 9 time what means? 4 table 9 what do we learn children? What you have learned previous in the class? 36. And add 2 in that is 38. Students, these notes which I have given you now, shown you here, and I have already given to you, you have to complete in your class notebook. And now homework for you. Page number 81 and 82 in your book you have to complete at home. Look at the page number 84 and 81 and 82. This is your recap exercise in multiplication chapter. The first question practice I have given you now. 3 is repeated 4 times. 3 4s are 12. 6 is repeated 1, 2, 3. 10 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 10, 6 are 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 is repeated 5 times. 8 5s are 40. Same, this way you will complete your book at home. Multiply on number line. 3 tables 6 times. So 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15 and 15 to 18. Now finally after 6 times, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After taking 6 round, we are reaching to the 18. So answer is 18 and never forget to put the arrow mark in your jumps. Complete all these 4 questions yourself at home. Filling the blanks, you have to complete different types. Find the product based on the table which you have learned in the previous class. I have shown you in the example also. 6 9s are 54. Same way you complete this question number 4 in the book only. Question number 5 in the book. 8 table, how many times we will learn? We will get the 32 4 times. 3 table, how many you will learn? You will get 30 10 times. Same way question number 6, vertical order multiplication. Complete now in the book only. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. All this you have to complete in the book only. In the next exercise, we will complete the word problem of this recap exercise. Thank you children.